Good afternoon, friends. Another important change, and this is laudable, good one, under CGST Act, Section 16, subsection 4, time limit to avail GST input tax credit. Now, there is delinking of debit note pertaining to original invoices issued. Good one, laudable one. Now, these debit note which are being issued, which may be pertaining to the original invoices, are being delinked. So date of debit note is important for availing ITC and time limit thereof. As we all know, under section 16 subsection 4, input tax credit must be availed at the earliest of two dates. What are those two dates? The first one, due date of furnishing return under section 39, which is GSTR 3B, for the month of September following the end of financial year, or date of furnishing annual return. Earliest of these two dates. Delinking of debit note with the original invoices is a laudable change. So let's say if you are issuing a debit note as on date, let's say 3rd January 2021, this may be pertaining to the past transaction of 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. So what is being delinked? That the date of debit note is now going to be relevant. And it is being delinked with the original tax invoices. So date of this debit note 3rd January 2021 going to be relevant for determining time limit for availing input tax credit under section 16 subsection 4 of CGST Act. Good one. We have seen in the past there was lot of change in GST rate and there may be price escalation on which you want to issue a debit note. Now it can be issued and will not be having any reference of your past transaction, and date of debit note when you are issuing, that date would be relevant for determining time limit under section 16 subsection 4 of CGST Act. Laudable one. And this is providing a clarity. Next question will come whether these changes are effective from January 1, 2021, or it can be considered retrospectively because you may have an issue for the past period. To my mind, in my humble opinion, these changes are clarificatory in nature, and these amendments were pending for a long time, though it was inserted, now notified from January 1, 2021. Whenever any amendment which is clarificatory in nature as per settled legal jurisprudence, these are being considered retrospectively applicable as per my humble opinion. So date of debit note is now going to be relevant and will have no reference with the original tax invoice for determining time limit for availing GST input tax credit under GST law. Laudable change made effective from January 1, 2021. So let's take the advantage. Now debit note will not be restricted with the time limit as we have seen in the past. Delinked now. Take the advantage. Laudable one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.